Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you where you can change sounds on your iPhone. So if you are new, be sure to subscribe and let's get started. So I'm gonna start by go where it's written settings, and then I'll just scroll where it's written sounds and haptics. So after that, I will just vibrate. I'm gonna vibrate on ring. I'm gonna scroll left to turn it off, or scroll right to turn it on. So vibrate on silent. I'm gonna scroll left to turn it off, and scroll right to turn it on. So where it's written headphone audio, headphone safety, I'm gonna click on it, and then headphone notifications, I'm gonna scroll right to turn on the notification, or left to turn it on, off. So yeah, so a ring and alert. So I'm gonna so change with balance. I'm gonna scroll left or scroll right. So this is how you do it. So ringtone opening. So there's a lot of ringtones you're gonna choose from, so I chose opening, but there's a lot. You can choose whatever you want by clicking on it. So text tone, there's a lot also, and it's your choices. A new voicemail, there's a lot. So you choose here whatever you want. So yeah, by clicking on it. New voicemail, I chose classic, but you can choose whatever you want. And calendar alert, airdrops, I choose pass, but you can choose hello, keys, note, classic. You can choose wherever you want. So keyboard clicking, you can scroll right to turn it on, or left to turn it off. Rock sound, you can scroll right to turn it on, or left to turn it off. System haptics, you can scroll left to turn it off, or scroll right to turn it on. So this is where you can find sounds and haptics on your settings. Then go to sounds, then you're gonna go to this vibrate, headphone audio, or ring and alert, or sound and vibration pattern. So then you're gonna scroll left and right to choose on or off, or you're gonna go to the sound and vibrate patterns, and you're gonna click on it. Then you're gonna choose whatever you want, maybe circuit or it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you're new, be sure to subscribe for more videos, and I will see you guys next time.